better than money.
Happiness and tolerance, that of me is sovereign. I minus you, you're white and blues. Who black is me when collaring? How it's gonna help them? How they gonna be mad at me for prospering? Crying they broke. Meanwhile, fiends is bringing the copper in. Only turkeys chase chicken. Ain't clicking till it come to you. Stay driven, nigga. Foot on the gas, you sink the hook on the bass, then gotta put on the mask. Same difference, nigga. Utmost love. That's when your homie do what the slut hoe does. I was living like just how the cutthroat was. But I was in the right, and those you love won't budge. Don't get excited, cause them niggas won't show out until the hoes get invited. You respect the loudmouth, but I know the politest who kill politely. They the ones who told us advices.
Swimming with the sharks, ate with the piranha, marijuana, sipping dark, shot through your designer. Shark skin Parker, foreign car parkers, nights getting darker, champagne with the sparklers, swimming with the sharks.
Better than money.
I read your hand from your shades, I was up a grade, cut you like a fade for this marmalade. It's life changed at the dice game, despite fame. They told us to name our black babies with white names. That's if your aim is employment, check the resume. Flooded your block like Treme, bubble like Tresemme. Ay, the main entree for your enjoyment. Invest your money in weight, offer unemployment. What's deployed? Copper toy, this black boy joy. Almond joy, blue Hellcat. I held back. I didn't say what I coulda, but did what I shoulda. Fucked the bitch and her friend with her. It's one of those nights, rooting for the champ to win. One of those fights where everybody boos who wanna see you lose. The downside of being upward. No mercy for the king, no flowers for the winner. Better check the cupboard. Stubborn niggas reaching, draw back a nub. What's the ticket? No stub hub. I'm raising the price. Staying the night. It's just a day in the life. Right.